Good morning students. This is a program using switch statement. Switch statement means user choice statement, or you can say menu driven programs, or you can understand, suppose a person who doesn't know about the addition of two numbers, subtraction, multiplication and division. So he told to the software developer, made a program that should display the menu if I opt option 1, so addition should take place, to multiplication, subtraction, then multiplication and division. So that's why it is known as a menu driven program. So for making such a program, what we are doing here, see, we are writing public class menu driven public static void main, then we are taking one variable int c is equal to 0, system dot out dot println menu driven program, then system dot println, this line will be displayed, system dot output println 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division. Then we are saying select any choice from the above, because it is a user's choice. Okay, whatever the choice will be selected by the user, that action will be taken place. See here, scanner object is equal to new scanner system dot in, because we have to input the value through the scanner classes, int choice obj dot next int. So choice is a variable in which it will ask the choice, any one choice from 1 to 4, any choice will be selected by the user, and that will store here into the choice. Okay, then system dot println enter two numbers, means suppose person selected addition, so for which two numbers, these two numbers should be inputted by the user here. int a is equal to object dot next int, then int b is equal to object next int. When these two lines will execute, it will ask value for a and b, whatever the value will be given by the user through the keyboard, those will be stored here into the a and b. Switch choice, and now see here from this line where the cursor is moving, suppose user is giving here in place of choice, suppose this 3. So if you see from 3 there is a multiplication, so multiplication should take place for those two inputted number. So what will happen? Switch choice. So switch 3 means it will go in the third case. Where is third case? Case 3 is here. See, now see, case 3 is here. From as soon as the value of choice will be given by user 3, so switch 3, from switch 3 it will come here, c is equal to a into b. Suppose user is giving a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, 3 into 4, 12 will store into the c, and then system dot out of println multiplication plus c, 12 will be printed. Break means it will exit from the loop. If the choices are there, after doing that particular choice, it will exit from the switch case. So if user is inputting, suppose in place of choice 1, so from 1 you see it is addition, then it will switch over here in 1. Okay, so this way, this is the use of switch statement. And if user is inputting, suppose because there are 4 choice only, user is inputting 100, so then this default case will execute and it will print this is a wrong choice. Now see, after compilation, no syntax error will be there. Close, then go to here, void main. Now see, choices are coming here. When you are running, it is asking for choice. Suppose I am inputting 3. After inputting 3, it is asking two number for you want multiplication. Suppose I am giving 4 and 5. So 4 into 5 will be 20. So 20 will be displayed over here. Now see, if user is inputting, suppose see, the choice which is being not mentioned over there in the program, So what will happen? Select any choice. Suppose user is saying 6, but there are only 4 choices. So what will happen? See. Okay, this is coming wrong. Okay.